Hi, I'm Roger Morrison, and we're in the Interactive Plant environment at Emerson's facility in Minneapolis, Minnesota. We're here to learn how to properly install a Rosemount X-well assembly that utilizes the universal pipe mount design. Rosemount X-well Technology is Emerson's complete point solution for measuring process temperature without the need for a thermal or process penetration. Traditional pipe mount clamps can be heavy and cumbersome to install, especially when dealing with large line sizes. The universal pipe mount's banding solution alleviates these concerns. The tools required for installation are a 4mm Allen wrench, a 1 1/16 inch or 27mm wrench, and a hand crank banding tensioner tool. When installing the universal pipe mount, we highly recommend wearing safety gloves for added protection. Before we demonstrate each installation step, let's take a look at the components of the universal pipe mount assembly. We have the threaded stem, tension nut, tensioner plate, removable tension rods, springs, mount foot, banding, and buckle. To begin, place the clamp assembly onto the pipe surface. Then, run the banding around the pipe and through the inside of the tensioner plate, making sure that the screw side of the buckle is facing inward. Then, bend the banding down around the rods of the tensioner plate. The end of the band with the buckle attached should be bent at a length that allows the buckle to sit near the bottom side of the pipe, opposite to the clamp assembly. Place the buckle anywhere on the lower half of the pipe, opposite to the clamp. Next, wrap the free end of the band around the pipe and through the buckle. Fold back the loose end at least 90 degrees to temporarily secure the band in place. Then pull the banding so it has a snug fit and bend it so that it is perpendicular to the pipe. Place the banding within the tensioner tool. Then, place the nose of the tensioner tool against the buckle and slide the banding into the tool. Note that the position of the universal pipe mount assembly may be moved after the banding has been tensioned, so it does not need to be in the final position during this step. It is recommended that you position the device to allow for the most ergonomic use of the tensioner tool for this step. Turn the crank on the tensioner tool to tighten the banding. This will slowly compress the tensioner plate and spring. The banding should be tightened until the tension nut can be moved freely. Then, using a 4mm Allen wrench, tighten the set screw on the buckle to lock the banding in place. Once the banding is secured, reduce tension on the tensioner tool by spinning the crank counterclockwise and remove the tool. Then, bend the loose end of the banding over the top of the buckle. We recommend that you leave enough length of banding to allow for retensioning of the banding if ever necessary. If you choose to trim any excess banding, be sure to remove any sharp edges or burrs. Now that the banding is tensioned, the universal pipe mount assembly can be moved to its desired location. Using a 1 1/16 inch or 27mm open-ended wrench, turn the tension nut clockwise on the threaded stem until it makes contact with the tensioner plate. Continue to tighten the tension nut to compress the springs until the banding loses tension and the device may be freely moved around the pipe. Once the universal pipe mount is in its desired position, loosen the tension nut to decompress the spring and return tension to the banding. When loosening, return the tension nut to the top of the threaded stem. Now you may proceed with the standard installation of your sensor and transmitter. For a complete set of written installation instructions and further guidance on how to remove and reinstall the device, please refer to our Quick Start Guide by clicking on the link in the description of this video. To learn more about Rosemount X-well Technology with universal pipe mount, contact your local Emerson sales representative or visit our website.